The green dream. Have you ever noticed all the wonderful plants that God has made? If not, then look around. A tree is a big plant. It has a hard trunk. A tree usually has many branches and leaves. It has roots growing below the ground. Some trees, like the coconut palm, do not have branches. Some trees give us fruits. Some trees give us flowers. See the green grass. Grass has many leaves. Cows and goats like to eat grass. Look at the shrubs and bushes. These are small plants. Some of them give us beautiful flowers like the rose. Note these climbing plants. Climbers are weak plants. They take the help of stronger plants or poles to support themselves. Main parts of a plant. Most plants grow from seeds. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. The roots soak water and other minerals from the soil. They fix the plant firmly in the soil. The stem distributes the food to different parts of the plant. The stem bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The leaves help in making food for the plant with the help of sunlight.